Well, how green is my valley? Um, yeah, we're making progress. The foam takes spray paint, it takes acrylic, yeah, we are having success with this. What it needs is a lot more carving about and chopping into and such likes, which is great fun. It's actually better if you do it in somebody else's house, preferably in their front room on their posh carpet, uh, just before they've got very important guests coming. So yeah, um, it's entertaining, shall we say. Right, I'm going to go for a stroll because I feel a need to get some bits of paint and stuff to attack this with. You know, there are houses in this road where people do their best with flowers and blooms and roses. There's some lovely roses up there, aren't they? And it makes it a joy. Now, it's a little bit cheeky taking pictures of other people's houses, but look at this one with this fantastic rambling rose, climbing rose. Isn't that lovely? You see things like this now, goodness knows how many winters that has survived without getting badly frosted. Look at it. It's a beautiful, beautiful fuchsia. And, you know, we normally think of these as bushes, but this is a tree, isn't it? Look at it. Absolutely wonderful. It's things like that, you know. I'm just going up the shops to, I don't know actually, what am I getting? Drop of milk or something? But flowers all the way along, you know, it just makes for a pleasant environment, doesn't it? And then you see, you know, palm trees. Why not? Yeah, just lifts the place, doesn't it? Core governor, that's perfect, innit? Yeah, I just picked up and boshed a can of stuff about. That seems to work okay. The colour doesn't, but you know, it was just to see whether it sticks, and it does. Right, this is a moment for extreme bravery. You know, some men hunt whales and some men hunt bears and tigers and elephants and things, but I'm going to go and hunt beans in the wild jungles of Leigh-on-Sea. Well, that's pretty much a one-person serving, which is good because I'm one person. We are working on the succession. Well, I'm going to go for a walk because, you know, you do this sort of stuff and it slowly drives you around the bend. There's a lot of filling got to be done, there's a lot of shaving, there's some extra woodwork got to be done to make the bridge abutments. There's got to be a piece there for one of the trestles. There's got to be a pieces going in there for the middle one and a piece there. But the dust and what have you is beginning to irritate my my nose. And it's a lovely day, I'm going for a walk, if that's all right with you lot. Well, there's a little Volkswagen for those of you that like such things. I used to know things like what the number plates meant, but I've forgotten most of that sort of thing. But there we are, little Volkswagen. What's that, canary yellow, signal yellow? Yellow anyway. Right, down to the beach, I think. Look at that water. Now there's something that sort of fascinates me out there, and I must find out more about it. It looks like a sort of man-made island, and sometimes you see people on there fishing and things like that. Now, this of course is a Monday night, so people have got to go home and do their homework after school, or whatever it is people do when they go home after a day at work. I know what I do when I go home. I make model railways and such, but I guess that's not a majority sport. But there we are, there's the beach. Not too sure how well the sound is going to work tonight, because if you look at my shadow, we do have quite a good breeze blowing. But you know, there's the sea, there's the beach. That's actually a drain outfall. I think it's only sort of surface water. There's a large body of water. Of course here it is saline, it's salt, because here this qualifies properly as being the sea. There's that little red fishing boat that we saw last night. Now over there is, that's the Crowstone. Now everything this side of the Crowstone is the sea. Everything the other side of it really is River Thames. There we are, there's a lot of seagulls around the back of that little boat.